And our crew's trying to get the lines ready as they make their approach on the dock. And Cap's gonna work on bringing it around, and here we go. Commitment's happening. Let's see how this rolls. The crew's working on it. Gives a little brake check. Stern breaks free. He's gonna have to reline it up. Gonna try and bring it back around. And our guy with the stern line, kind of not on the ready, but I don't know that'd be on the swim deck yet either. My man seems to have a little bit of a heavy throttle hand. I'd probably at least be grabbing onto the bimini. Careful! And overall, it looks like they're on. Kill the motor, bro. No, we lost it. I thought he had it. It looked like he was on. Oh, no, now we're completely off. Wifey's got it around the front rail. And we're gonna hit. And she looks back at Cap like, what are you doing, bro? And man, they are all over the place. Cap finally leaves the helm, kills the motor, and that should be good enough to get him on. But man, that was not without the excitement that they need. High stress. But the high stress is not done, as here comes another boat in right behind them, and I'm assuming this is part of the same party crew. Music's still blaring. Our crew's dancing on the dock. Let's see if these boys coming in behind them can get to dancing on the dock as well. We've got a line, but I mean, he's all kinds of messed up on the angle, bouncing off the dock. And Cap's leaving the helm. And our guy in the stern, it looks like we're going to switch the lines to the other side. Got a feeling this crew was a little more interested in partying than worrying about getting the boat on the dock. But our boy's going to bring it around. I'm curious if this is going to hold when he brings it around, or if the stern's going to kick free on this. Of course it will. So our guy's going to bring it up. And it looks like, there we go, stern line's off as well. Our crew is absolutely struggling trying to get this out. They've tried adjusting it on the trailer a few times, and they're just not getting anywhere. You can tell our truck driver is a little frustrated. There seems to be some confusion, though, like as to what's going on, but they've tried to pull this out. My man in the truck's just spinning tires. So we're going to check something in the boat. Looks like we're going to check the outdrive and make sure it's actually trimmed up. So my man's going to give this another attempt, but we've been at it for a few minutes over here already. Seems a little excited, a little giddy running around this time, though, thinking maybe the outdrive was it. Going with the slow roll approach, which is not a bad approach. Sometimes when you're losing grip, that's it. You're just giving it a little bit too much gas. And you just gotta let the tires do their job. But we got somebody pushing on the boat from the dock. And it's broke free on us again. So our guy's up here talking to the driver of the truck, it looks like, but they're going to go again. No, they stepped on the tailgate. Tough to tell for me from this angle. So we've got some people on the tailgate now, and somebody pushing on the boat. We're going to enlist a few more crew members to try and help this one out. So he started to slip backwards a little bit. They started yelling at him. Here we go again. 2 people pushing on the dock, 3 on the tailgate. No, not enough. Right now, he's regretting that decision when they said 4-wheel drive is $2,000 more. And we're going to toss another person up. Our people off the dock have come up. They're getting in the tailgate of the truck as well. Let's get the whole crew involved. How many people does it take to pull a boat from the boat ramp? Somebody give me a number. Line it up in the comments below. How many people will have to get in this truck to get this job done? This is about as many as I've seen. So everyone in a truck down here. Hopefully this is enough. And we are still spinning. And they're trying to recruit more. So we're adding another one. The whole team is playing ball today. Oh, is he going to get it? Gives her hell. Gets the job done. So this one's a little interesting. Once they got it pulled out, everybody kind of came back here and started looking at the stern of the boat. And look at the amount of water that is coming out of the area around the stern drive. This is not a drain plug. Now, it's not uncommon in a stern drive boat like this, like or inboard outboard boat, like you'll see some water come out when you pull the boat out because there's water that's in the cooling system that's come out, but not like this. I mean, this is still coming, which tells me there is something wrong and this boat's taking on water somewhere. Whether it's, well, I mean, obviously if it's leaking out around the outdrive, probably the seal or something is gone there, allowing water to get in, which just is an interesting one. A good thing they caught it now. I mean, I'm not, it could be a lot worse. This boat could be sitting at the bottom somewhere. But, I mean, man, that's just wild. Let me know in the comments, guys. I mean, does that seal go bad? I've not really seen this one unless, like, somebody actually basically ripped an outdrive off. And that's always a possibility as well. Maybe at speed, they hit a sandbar or something and they dislodged something down there. I mean, I guess that's an option also. But, man, it looks like, because, yeah, right here, you can tell where his hand is. He's going for the drain plug now. He's just now trying to take the drain plug out as this water is still coming out of this motor. But basically, that extra weight in the stern of the boat was the reason he couldn't get it up from the truck. There was just too much weight in the back, and it just wasn't allowing him to get it out of here. But finally, they're out, and they should be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.